Next problem is sixth one. Secant A of 1 minus sin A, secant A plus tan A equal to 1. So RHS we have to prove 1. LHS, whatever possibilities we have, that and all we have to write. Secant A, how to write in terms of LHS? First we should consider LHS. Secant A of 1 minus sin A. Secant A plus tan A. Secant A, how to write? Cos, secant to both are reciprocals. Secant A, 1 by cos A. 1 minus sin A as it is, we should write. And secant A, how to write? 1 by cos A plus tan A, sin A by cos A. Here 1 minus sin A by cos A. Next bracket, we have to take LCM. Cos A is the LCM. Here cross multiplication. Cos A into 1, cos A plus here cos A into sin A. Here is equal to 1 minus sin A by cos A. Next bracket LCM. Cos A is the LCM. Here numerator 1 plus sin A. Here numerator you should observe A minus B form, A plus B form. We have formula A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. This formula we have to apply. Here 1 square minus sin A whole square by cos A into cos A, cos square A. Here numerator 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. 1 minus sin square A formula, use identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Instead of cos A plus, you should write 1 minus sin square A, or else 1 minus sin square A plus cos square. Here numerator I will write 1 minus sin square A plus cos square I will write. Cos square A by cos square A. Cancel. Answer is 1. Right hand side we have to prove. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence prove. Next problem is 7th one. Secant square A plus cosecant square A equal to secant square A into cosecant square A. So LHS and RHS both in terms of secant and cosecant. Here LHS we have to consider secant square A plus cosecant square A is equal to secant A. We have to write in terms of cos. Cosecant in terms of sin. Secant cos reciprocals. 1 by cos square A we can write here. Plus here cosecant square A. 1 by sin square A we can write. LCM. What is the LCM here? Cos square A into sin square A. Cross multiplication. Sin square A plus cos square A. Already we know identity. Sin square A plus cos square value is 1. 1 by cos square A into sin square A. But this is not our answer. What is our answer? Secant square A into cosecant square A. You have to split this one. 1 by cos square A separate and 1 by sin square A is separate. 1 by cos square A. Secant to cos reciprocals. 1 by cos means secant. Here square is there. So secant square A. Secant square A. Here cos. Cosecant square A. This is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Next problem is 8th one. Here 1 plus tan square A into cot A by cosecant square A is equal to tan A. So LHS we have to take, RHS we have to prove. First LHS. 1 plus tan square A into cot A by cosecant square A. Here 1 plus tan square A formula. We have identity. 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. That I will write now. Here secant, this bracket value place is secant square A into cot A. How to write in terms of sine and cos? Here cos A by sin A divided by cosecant square A. 1 by sin square A. Here denominator we have to do reciprocal. Secant square A into cos A by sin A into sin square A reciprocals sin square A by 1. Here secant square A also you have to write in terms of cos. 1 by cos square A into cos A by sin A into sin square A by 1. Any cancellations are there? Here cos square A, cos values are 2. Here cos value is 1. Here 1 cos, here 1 cos cancel. Here sin A value, here 2 times is there, 1 cancel. Remaining here numerator, 1 sin A is there, sin A by, here denominator cos A is there. Cos A by sin A, tan A is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RH. Next problem is 9th one. Tan square A minus sin square A equal to tan square A into sin square A. So, both LHS and RHS are tan and sin only. So, LHS we have to consider LHS is equal to tan square A minus sin square A. Tan square A. We have to write in terms of sin and cos. Sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Here no number means denominator we have to fill 1. What is the LCM here? Cos square A. Here sin square A minus here cos square A into sin square A. Cos square A into sin square A. Numerator you should observe what is the common factor? Sin square A. Sin square A of 1 minus cos square A by cos square A. Here 1 minus cos square A. What we have to write? We have identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. Sin square A into sin square A by cos square A. Here one time sin square A by cos square A into sin square A separately we should write. Sin square A by cos square A into sin square A is equal to sin square A into sin square A by cos square A value is tan square A into already sin square A value, sin square A we have. So LHS, RHS both the same. RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Next problem is 10th one. Here cosecant A plus sin A. Here cosecant A minus sin A is equal to cot square A plus cos square A. That we have to prove. Here LHS we have to take. We should observe LHS. What formula we can apply means we can find out RHS. Minus sin A. Here A plus B, A minus B formula we can apply. What is A plus B into A minus B formula? A square minus B square. A place cosecant A is there and B place sin A. Formula I should apply. Cosecant square A minus sin square A. But our answer is cot square A plus cos square A. Cosecant A and cot A relation identity we can use here also. Sin and cos. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Here cosecant A square. Cosecant square A plus we can write 1 plus cot square A minus sin square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. These two formulas should apply here. Cosecant square A plus 1 plus cot square A. Here minus sin square A plus 1 minus cos square A. Second bracket before minus is there. The second bracket we have to multiply with minus. 1 plus cot square A. Here minus into 1, minus 1. Minus into minus plus cos square A. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Remaining cot square A plus cos square A. RHS you should observe. Cot square A plus cos square A. We proved no RHS. So LHS equal to RH.